Welcome everyone. Today my seminar topic is about frequency domain methods. Let us say the definition about frequency domain methods. The frequency domain is nothing more than the space defined by the values of Fourier transform and its frequency variable u, v. Filtering in frequency is really straightforward. The frequency domain filtering are different from spatial domain filtering as it basically focuses on frequency of image. Why filter is used in frequency domain? The low frequency in Fourier transform are responsible for general gray level appearance of image over smooth areas. High frequency are responsible for details such as edges and noise. The low pass attenuates high frequency while passing low frequency. Less sharpen the details because the high frequency are attenuated. The high-pass filter attenuates low frequency while passing high frequency. Less gray level variation in smooth areas and emphasize translation. Attenuated means weakening. Filter in frequency domain. There are two filters used in frequency domain: the smoothing and sharpening. Image smoothing and image sharpening. In image smoothing, there are three filters: ideal low pass filters, Butterworth low pass filters, Gaussian low pass filters. In image sharpening, there are four filters: ideal high pass filters, Butterworth high pass filters, Gaussian high pass filters, the Laplacian in frequency domain. Image smoothing using frequency domain filters. Edges and other sharp intensity transitions such as noise in image contributes significantly to high frequency content, and its Fourier transform, hence smoothing, is achieved in frequency domain by high frequency attenuation, that is by low pass filtering. In this session we consider three types of low pass filter: ideal, Butterworth and Gaussian. There are three categories covered from very sharp that is ideal to very smooth that is Gaussian filtering. The Butterworth has a parameter called filter order filter. For the higher order values, it approaches the ideal filter. Let us see about ideal low pass filters. A 2D low pass filter that passes without attention all frequency within a circle of radius d0 from the origin and cuts off all frequency outside. This circle is called ideal low pass filter. It is specified by the function h u, v in 1 if d, u, v is less than d0 and 0 if d, u, v greater than d0, where d, u, v is mentioned as distance from point, u, v from the origin of frequency rectangle. Example of ideal low pass filter. Now see the figure 4.40. The first image, the perspective plot of ideal low pass filter transfer function image is mentioned, and the second image, a circle image, shows the filter displayed as image, and the third image, the filter radial cross section image view is mentioned. The name ideal indicates that all frequency on or inside a circle of radius d0 are passed without attention, where all frequency outside the circle are completely attention figure out. The second low pass filter is Butterworth low pass filter. The transfer function of Butterworth low pass filter of an order n and with cutoff frequency at distance of d0 from the origin is defined as formula h u, v equal to 1 by 1 plus d of u, v slash do power of 2n. You see the example of Butterworth low pass filter. Let's see figure 4.4. The first image is a perspective plot of Butterworth low pass filter transfer function mentioned. In the second image, the filter displayed as an image. The third function, the filter radial cross section of order 1 through 4 values is mentioned. Unlike the ideal low pass filter, the Butterworth low pass filter transfer function does not have a sharp discontinuity that gives a clear cut of between passed and filtered frequency. In Butterworth low pass frequency, the first image, origin image, results the first image and the last image are the original image, where the other images from 2, 3, 4, 5 images are cut-off frequency at radar. You see an example of Butterworth low pass filters. In the first image, the first 4 images were shown as spatial representation of Butterworth low pass filters. The corresponding intensity profiles through the center of filters. Observe 4 images, how the ringing increases as a function of filter order. Gaussian low pass filter. Gaussian low pass filter function h of u comma v equal to e minus d power 2 u comma v slash 2 sigma power 2. Figure 4.47. The first image shows the perspective plot of a Gaussian low pass filter function. The second image shows the filter displayed as image, and the third image shows the radial cross section of various values of d0, 1 to 4. The Gaussian low pass filter achieved slightly less smoothing than Butterworth low pass filter of order 2 for the same value of cutoff frequency. The Gaussian low pass filter ensures that there is no ringing at all. In case where the tight control of a transition between low and high frequency above the cutoff frequency are needed, then the Butterworth low pass filter presents a more suitable choice. Additional example of Gaussian low pass filter. See two images. Let us see two example images. The first image is a original noisy image where letters are got cut, and let's see the mentioned EA. On the parallel, the Gaussian low pass filtered image is shown where it connects all the character segments were joined and clear than the original. Let's see another additional example of Gaussian low pass filter. See, there's 3 images. The first image is the original image. The second image is filtered using d of 0 equal to 100, and the third image is filtered using Gaussian filter of d of 0 equal to 80. Note the reduction of a fine skin lines in the magnified section on B and C, which is a slightly blur and noisy than not clear than the first image. Now let us see about the image sharpening using frequency domain filters. In this section, the edges and the other abrupt changes in intensities are associated with high frequency components. Image sharpening can be achieved in frequency domain by high pass filtering, which attenuates the low frequency components without disturbing high frequency information in the Fourier transform. In this section, we will consider ideal Butterworth and Gaussian high pass filters as before. We see the Butterworth filters represent a transition between the sharpness of ideal filter and the broad smoothness of Gaussian filter. Ideal high pass filters. A 2D ideal high pass filter is defined as h of u comma v, where 0 if d of u comma v less than d0 and 1 as otherwise. D0 is a cutoff frequency. The ideal high pass filter is the opposite of ideal low pass filter. The ideal high pass filter has the same ringing properties as the ideal low pass filter. Ideal high pass filter. Example: the first image is the original image. Result high pass filtering the image using different values. The second image is applied with the D0 of 30 and 60 and 160. Now Butterworth low pass high pass filter. A 2D Butterworth high pass filter of order n and cutoff frequency of D0 is defined as h u comma v equal to 1 by 1 plus d0 slash d u comma v to n. Let's see the example. In this high pass filtering, the Butterworth high pass filter in order of 2, the D0 value 30, 60 and 160 is applied. The results are much smoother than the obtained with ideal high-pass filters. Gaussian high-pass filters. The transfer function of a Gaussian high-pass filter is given by hu, v equal to 1 minus e power minus d square u, v slash 2d square 2d0 d square. In this example, the high-pass filtering Gaussian method, D0 is a values applied in D0 are 30, 16, 160. In the Gaussian high-pass filtering method, the corresponding images, the result obtained is more gradually than with previous two filters. Even filtering of small objects or thin bars are clear in Gaussian filter. The Laplacian in frequency domain. The Laplacian is used in spatial filtering for image enhancement, and it yields equivalent results using frequency domain techniques. Let's see the example of 3 image. The first original image is a thumbprint, and the second image is the result of high-pass filtering of original image. And the third image is the result of threshold image of high-pass filter. Using Laplacian, the third image we obtained is very clear and useful. Let's see another example of Laplacian. The first image is the original blurry image, and the second moon image is the image enhancer using Laplacian in frequency domain, which is very clear, and the objects and the image quality is enhanced really, and the image is very good. The difference of 3 high-pass filters. The first one is an ideal high-pass filter. Its image formed and its cross section of I and its cross section. The middle one is a Butterworth high-pass filter. The Butterworth high-pass filters perspectives plot image representation and the cross section is mentioned in DEF. In last third images, the Gaussian high-pass filters perspectives plot the image representation and the cross section is mentioned. See in ideal Butterworth Gaussian, more than every effect changes and gives a smoothen output in image transformation, and the filters is used for enhancing image correctly and effective. Thank you.